Hi guys, this is Arvind. Welcome back to Python Fundamental Series. So in this video, we will go through Python tokens. So let's move on. What are tokens? In Python, every logical lines are broken down into components called tokens. So whatever the line of code you will write, so that will broken into components word by word, and those are called tokens. So tokens are fall under like keywords, identifiers, literals, operations. So whatever the line you write, all those words in the lines fall under any one of these tokens. Let's move on. Let's get into that those token. So the first is keywords. These are the special reserved words. They convey special meaning to the compiler or a interpreter. Each keyword has special meaning and for specific operation. This is quite simple to understand, like these are the reserved keywords and we cannot use it as a variable. So I have listed out some of the keywords over here. You can see here true, false, boolean values, none, and as. So these are the reserved keywords which we cannot use as a variable or as any value. Next is identifier. What are identifiers? So identifier is also a type of token. So identifier is the name used to identify a variable. So when you declare a variable, you will give a name for the variable, right? So that is called identifiers. So Python is case sensitive. So this is the one important thing we need to remember, like in Python, Python is case sensitive. So whatever you write, whatever the variable you declare, so it will case sensitive. You have to mind the case sensitiveness while declaring the variable name. So let's assume like var and var. So if I define these two variables, it looks like similar, but in Python, actually it treat as different two variable names. Literals. So identifiers are like name of the variable. So literals are the raw data given to the variable or identifiers. The data what you feed to the identifiers or literals. So it can be string, numeric, boolean or special characters. Let's see in the demo as well. Operators. Operators, as you know, like there are a couple of operators are there, like arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, bitwise, identity, membership. So if we see like arithmetic operation, there are like certain addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. This is similar to in other languages how it works there. The operators, the same over here as well. Comparison operator also same, like double equals for equal, comparing between the two values, not equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal, or greater than or equal. These are similar to other language. Logical operators also same, and or not. These are the logical operators present in the Python. And membership operator. So membership operator is something like suppose you have a list, you want to check any value within the list. If you see here example, there is a num variable which is num list. I have defined 1 2 3 4 values in the list. So suppose if I want to check 4 in the list, it gives the true or false. 4 in num, true or false it returns. This is called membership operators. Let's move on simple demo over here today. So the first thing is like what we said, or literals, yeah, keywords. So if we come here keywords, so as I said, true equal to 1, I cannot define because these are the reserved keywords, and false, but yeah, see this allows because since this is a case sensitive, whenever I declare false equal to with capital F, false equal to 1, that throws error. But if I declare false equal to 1, that is accepted because Python is a case sensitive, and this false is reserved keyword, but this is not a reserved keyword. This is simply identifier. So let's move on to identifier. So as I mentioned, identifier. So whatever the variable you declare, name equal to test name. This is one of the variable, and if you want to write, sorry, I didn't assign it. Name test. Yeah. So here name is the identifier and test is the literals, string literals, because I am assigning this raw data to this variable or identifier. Okay. In here, suppose if I want to write multiple line, so what I'll do is I'll just enter this one. Now it allows me to enter multiple line. Hello, enter, enter. Then if I want to enter, close this one. I, so again three what do you call quotes and then enter. Now if I type name, it gives the entered value. So this is the way like how we can add multiple line or a paragraph into a variable. And so we I have covered with identifiers and also literals now. So operator, something like when we add 1 plus 1, so this is the operator, or 2 minus 1. So these are the addition subtraction operators, we can use it here. And then what else is there? String literals, numeral, boolean also there. Similar operators we have covered. Arithmetic operation done. Comparison operator, for if we see like 1 is greater than 2, true it returns, right? So these are the comparison operator. Yes. And then there is a logical operator, and also there is a membership operator. So membership operator is nothing but like is a checking the value, or checking the whatever the value, checking the value inside any list or dictionary or anything. So it just checking whether it has a membership in the particular list or dictionary. So if I declare here num equal to, so I'm going to declare a list over here. You can see how we can declare list and everything in the coming videos, but as of now I'm just checking here 1 in num. So 1 is there, that is returning true. So that's all about Python tokens. In the coming video we will look into data types in Python. So thank you for watching this video.